Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Nissan Rogue cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side and remove all contents. You will need a small flathead screwdriver to help with a clip. Make sure you have your new cabin air filter ready, noting its airflow direction for later. This simple task significantly improves your vehicle's air quality. Next, detach the small dampener arm located on the right side of the glove box. Once released, gently press the sides of the glove box inward to allow it to swing down further. This action reveals the cabin air filter housing. You will then see a cover with two clips. Carefully unclip these to expose the old filter. Before removing the old filter, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Gently pull the old, dirty filter straight out from its slot. Now, slide your new cabin air filter into the housing, ensuring the airflow arrow points in the same direction as the one you just removed. To finish, snap the filter housing cover securely back into position. Then, push the glove box back into its original place, reattaching the dampener arm. You've successfully replaced your cabin air filter, improving your vehicle's air quality. Remember to check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Keeping your car fresh is easy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.